Good morning, students. So, in this class, we are going to discuss trigonometry. This chapter is very important chapter, and two chapters are related with this concept, that is trigonometry. So, first of all, clear the meaning of this word. Tri means three. Tri means three. Gon means sides, and metry means measurement. So it means trigonometry stands for three sides measurement and three sides of right angled triangle. Three sides of right angled triangle. Suppose you have given this right angled triangle in which we have given angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. If angle B is equals to 90 degree, so it means angle A plus angle C is also 90 degree, because this only B is 90, so total is 180, so it means sum of A and C will also be 90. So it means after adding A and C we are getting 90, so it means angle A and angle C are acute angles. Angle A and angle C are acute angles and angle B is equals to 90 degree. So according to this triangle, we can find angle A also, we can find angle C also, and by using these angles we can also find the measurement of sides. We can also find the measurement of sides and relation between the sides. So to solve all this, we have this hypotenuse, this is base and this is perpendicular. And we have done in 9th standard also that sine theta is equals to P upon H. Sine theta is equals to P upon H. Cos theta equals to B upon H. Theta is here. So sine theta P upon H, cos theta B upon H. Tan theta is equals to P upon B. Tan theta is equals to P upon B. Reciprocal of sine, 1 over sine theta and 1 over sine theta is equals to cosecant theta, and cosecant theta is H upon P. Cos theta, 1 over cos theta equals to secant theta, and secant theta is equals to H upon B. 1 over tan theta and 1 over tan theta is equals to cot theta, and this is B upon P. So sin theta P upon H, cos theta B upon H, tan theta P upon B, 1 over sin cosecant, 1 over cos secant, and 1 over tangent is cot theta, and cot theta is also known as cotangent theta. So these are the basic ratios that we have done in 9th standard also. Now I am going to solve one identity here, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now look, ABC triangle is there. Theta is here. This is of 90 degree. So we know that sin theta is equals to P upon H. Cos theta equals to B upon H. So sin theta P upon H, it means P upon H square. Cos theta B upon H, it means B upon H square. So take P square upon H square, B square upon H square. Take LCM, H square, P square plus B square. We know that base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square according to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, H square equals to B square plus P square. So instead of P square plus B square, we can write H square upon H square, cancel, is equals to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So by taking all this, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, we can also find the value of sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. You have to remember 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So we can find out sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So in the same way we have next identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. So tan square theta equals to secant square theta minus 1, and 1 is equals to secant square theta minus tan square theta. So you have to remember this also. Next is 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta. Cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta minus 1, and cot square theta equals to cosecant, and 1 is equals to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. 1 is equals to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So you have to remember all these identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square, and tan is secant square theta minus 1. 1 is equals to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Next is 1 plus cot square theta, that is cosecant square, and cot square, if you want to cot square, that is cosecant square theta minus 1, and 1 is equals to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Next is, like we have given tan theta. We have given tan theta. So tan theta can be written as sin by cos, and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1, because tan is sin by cos and cot is cos by sin. So instead of tan into cot we can write 1. Instead of tan into cot we can write 1. So these all the formulas that you have to remember to solve trigonometry chapter, to solve A and B exercise of your trigonometry. So just remember all these formulae. These formulae will help you to solve the sums.